Space in Earth orbit seems cold because it's so empty. Without a warm environment around you radiating heat back to you, you lose heat by radiation much faster than normal. But space in Earth orbit is actually warm. The pedantic reason for this is that temperature is a measure of the average kinetic energy of a collection of particles. And in space near the Earth, molecules can have average kinetic energies in the thousands of degrees. This doesn't make space feel warm, though. When I was a kid, I remember watching my dad use a metal grinder. Whenever metal touched the grinding wheel, sparks flew everywhere, sometimes falling in a shower on his hands and clothes. I couldn't understand why they didn't hurt him. After all, the glowing sparks were several thousand degrees. I later learned that the reason the sparks didn't hurt him was that they were tiny. The heat they carried could be absorbed into the body without warming anything more than a tiny patch of skin. The hot molecules in space are like the sparks in my dad's machine shop. They might be hot or cold, but they're so small and there are so few of them they don't change your temperature very much. Instead, your heating and cooling is dominated by how much heat you produce and how quickly it pours out of you into the void. And this is the practical reason that space is warm. Without air or water around you to carry heat away from your surface, you don't lose heat by conduction or convection, just radiation, which often isn't a very effective way to cool down. For most human-carrying spacecraft, the big problem isn't staying warm, it's keeping cool.